Hey, garden lovers! Have you ever wished your garden could stay vibrant and full of blooms for as long as possible? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to share with you the top 20 longest blooming perennial flowers. These beauties will keep your garden looking stunning all season long. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First up, we have the black-eyed Susan. This cheerful yellow flower with its dark center blooms from early summer to fall. It's super easy to grow and adds a burst of sunshine to any garden. Next on our list is the Coreopsis. With its daisy-like flowers in shades of yellow, pink, and red, Coreopsis blooms all summer long and sometimes into fall. Plus, it's drought-tolerant, making it perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Say hello to Echinacea, also known as Coneflower. These hardy perennials bloom from midsummer to fall and come in a variety of colors like pink, purple, and white. They're also a favorite among pollinators like bees and butterflies. Meet the catmint. This plant not only has beautiful lavender blue flowers that bloom from late spring to early fall, but it also has a lovely fragrance. It's a favorite for edging and looks great in any garden. Now, let's talk about the Shasta daisy. These classic white flowers with yellow centers bloom from early summer to early fall. They're easy to grow and make excellent cut flowers for your home. Up next is the blanket flower. With its vibrant red, orange, and yellow blooms, this flower will keep your garden colorful from early summer to fall. It's also heat and drought tolerant. Here's the Russian sage. Its tall, airy spikes of lavender blue flowers bloom from midsummer to fall and are perfect for adding height and texture to your garden. Introducing the salvia. This flower comes in various shades of blue, purple, pink, and red and blooms from late spring to fall. It's a magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies. Check out the geranium roseanne. This perennial blooms from late spring all the way until the first frost, with beautiful violet blue flowers that brighten up any garden. Say hello to Astilbe. Known for its feathery plumes of flowers in shades of pink, white, red, and purple, Astilbe blooms from early summer to early fall and thrives in shady spots. Next, we have the Gara. Its delicate white and pink flowers bloom from late spring to early fall, giving your garden a light and airy feel. Meet the daylily. This hardy plant blooms from early summer to early fall with flowers in almost every color imaginable. Each bloom lasts just one day, but the plant produces so many buds that it keeps flowering for weeks. Check out the yarrow. Its clusters of tiny flowers bloom from early summer to fall in shades of yellow, pink, red, and white. Yarrow is also a great choice for dry, sunny spots. Say hello to the sedum. This plant has star-shaped flowers that bloom from late summer to fall and comes in various shades of pink, red, and white. It's also very low maintenance. Next, we have the phlox. With its fragrant clusters of flowers in shades of pink, purple, red, and white, phlox blooms from midsummer to fall and attracts lots of butterflies. Introducing the penstemon. This plant blooms from late spring to early fall with tubular flowers in shades of pink, purple, red, and white, and is a favorite of hummingbirds. Check out the veronica. Its spiky flowers bloom from early summer to early fall in shades of blue, pink, purple, and white, adding a vertical element to your garden. Say hello to the heuchera, also known as coral bells. This plant blooms from late spring to early fall with tiny bell-shaped flowers in shades of pink, red, and white. It also has attractive foliage. Meet the tick seed. This plant has bright yellow flowers that bloom from early summer to early fall and is very easy to grow. And last, not least, we have the hardy hibiscus. Its large tropical-looking flowers bloom from midsummer to fall in shades of red, pink, and white and make a bold statement in any garden. And there you have it, folks. The top 20 longest blooming perennial flowers that will keep your garden looking fabulous all season long. Which of these flowers are you excited to add to your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!